Oh my Lord.
Yummy.
Oh my Lord. I'm gonna send this to Napa Valley, so that they can see
Marketing grapes.
how a beautiful baby like you is just eating grapes like you won't believe.
That's your third strand of grapes.
Look at that. Look at those little hands. You're gonna get drunk with eating grapes. Huh, Irvin? Oh my Lord, Irvin. Oh my Lord. This one is going to Napa. Oh, you're like the what's the name of that? The god of grapes. I forgot the name. Sorry. But this is Urban eating bunches of grapes in New Orleans, far away from the wine country. We are celebrating the wine country here in New Orleans. Oh my God, Urban,
Yep, you missed
you're
one.
gonna eat all of those. Are you gonna eat all of those grapes? Huh? You're gonna be pooping grapes forever. Yeah, you're adorable. You're totally adorable. I have to show this to Gulustan and your grandpa Neil.